How to download CorelDRAW for free. So if you want to download CorelDRAW for free, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser. Once you're on a browser, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for CorelDRAW. Once you've searched, you need to just go with www.coreldraw.com. And here you will have an option of try free for 15 days. So you'll be able to use CorelDRAW for free for 15 days. So you need to go with try free. Just click on it. And here it is asking you to sign into CorelDRAW to try for free. It says no installation is needed. So you need to just enter your email address and then go with continue, or you can also sign in with your Google or Facebook. You can continue with your Google or your Facebook. And after that, once you've created your account, then you'll be logged into your CorelDRAW and you will be able to use it for free for 15 days. So that's how you'll be able to download it for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.